Hello and welcome to The Bottom Line, brought to you by Telecom TV and sponsored by IBM. In this, the 9th programme of our series, we look at the possible landscape and ecosystem of the communications industry in 2015. In examining what the landscape of the communications industry will look like in 5 years' time, we have to start from where we are now.
The industry has got new kids on the block, new competitors that are represented by the big internet tigers like the Googles, the Skype.
The telecom industry hasn't been the fastest at innovating at the application level. The application development is largely being done by those over-the-top players.
The big question is, once the upheaval is over, what will the changed landscape look like and how different will the industry ecosystem actually be? It seems likely that 4 possible scenarios could emerge within the industry, but whose outcomes are very far from clear. To begin with, there's survivor consolidation. Investors lose confidence in certain companies, cash crises follow, and consolidation whittles down the number of players by as much as 50%. The second scenario is horizontal expansion. Growth comes via premium price connectivity services for application and content providers. Scenario 3 is what I call the clash of the titans, where telcos proactively consolidate and ally to take on the OTT players, the device manufacturers and infrastructure technology vendors. The fourth possible scenario is the generative bazaar. Here, infrastructure providers integrate horizontally to form a smallish number of cooperative network environments that provide pervasive, inexpensive and unrestricted open comms access to any consumer on any device.
It's very good business to be an efficient access provider. We should not forget that.
Telcos have to find other sources of revenue. They have to expand to adjacent industries, to develop new business models and so on, to generate more revenue there. Open connectivity to connect more things, more devices.
In my view, what they should really be doing is looking at enabling those applications to exist. After all, they enable at the transport level.
The winners will be those that have in place a strategy for cost-effective, very high-speed broadband access and services, the ability to optimize business, have the best insight into customer behaviour and requirements, and last but by no means least, are extremely good at managing costs. The future will be exciting, profitable and long-lived. For the losers, it would be very much like the present, but a lot shorter.